This video will show you how to install the Sage BusinessVision July 2014 Payroll Tax Update in the customer portal located at https://customers.sagenorthamerica.com. There are two versions of the July 2014 tax update. If we click on our Help and About Sage BusinessVision, we see here that we have the 7.71a version installed. In the portal, there are two versions. There's the 7.72 and the 7.64 update. In this instance, with the 7.71a installed, I will download the 7.72. As shown in the previous video, I have saved the 7.72 update in my July 2014 Payroll Tax Update folder. The payroll update file plus the README can be saved to a network location that is common to all machines that use BusinessVision. Let's open the PDF, and we can see here there's an area on how to update your payroll tables. Step one here is to make a complete backup of all data files. Let's go back to BusinessVision and let's go to File and Company Selection. So as you can see here, there's 5 companies on the list. Each company has its own working directory. We can see here that the first one is C:/BusinessVision 77 Demo, another one C BusinessVision 77 HK Comp, and so on and so forth. Please make a backup of each of the working directories that are on the list. Finally, let's log off. Let's exit and close the BusinessVision session. We are now ready to update the Sage BusinessVision payroll tables. As a reminder, please ensure that all users are logged off all the Sage BusinessVision companies while the backup is being performed. Once the backup is complete and verified, we can now proceed with step number 2. Double-click the Payroll Update executable package to begin. Let's minimize the PDF, and the application is the Payroll v7.72.exe file. As mentioned earlier, this update can be on a network drive accessible to all users of Sage BusinessVision. Let's double-click on the exe and let's click on Run. Windows will prepare the setup, and we're prompted with a password. The password to install the July 2014 tax update is located in the email notifying you of the download, or you can contact 866-725-0724 option number 1. Let's input the password and click on Next. You can see here that this will install the program for the Sage BusinessVision payroll update. Let's click on Next, and we will continue with the procedure. The program files have been updated. Let's hit OK. It is a good idea to click on Yes to restart and hit Finish. In some cases, I can click on No, and I'll just hit Finish. Let's start up the Sage BusinessVision program. The screen will come up, and I will log into my demonstration company. Let's click on Help and About Sage BusinessVision. You will see here that I have now the 7.72 version. If I click on System Info, I will now see that I have the payroll tables July of 2014. Let's close the system information, and let's go back to Sage BusinessVision. Please note, according to the README file, that the update must be installed on each machine with Sage BusinessVision, regardless of whether the machine is used for payroll or not. By looking at the steps, we can see we have completed steps 1 through 6. Please note that the payroll update for 2013, the 7.64 is the last update for that series. There will be no more payroll updates for that version, BV 2013, beyond July 1st, 2014. Please note that there is also no need to run a T1 revision. It is not required for this update. This concludes this video on installing the Sage BusinessVision July 2014 Payroll Tax Update.